This channel is all about teaching as many people as possible how to swim. However, we often get messages from people afraid of the water or that simply can't swim. So, on this video, we will go back to the very basics so that we let no one behind. If you already know how to swim, please share this with a friend that doesn't. We will be back to our normal videos next time. The biggest obstacle if you don't know how to swim is fear. No one is really afraid of the water, of course. They are afraid of drowning. To ease that fear, we need to take it slowly. The worst thing that you could do is to panic, because your body doesn't need a lot of movement to be able to float. In fact, even in fresh water, which is harder to float than in the sea, you can float just by breathing in a lot of air. You'll see how easy it is. Kick a little bit like this, because since there is no air in your legs, they will sink first. The next step is to learn how to tread the water. If you can do this, you'll be able to be in the deep part of the pool for a while, breathing normally and still be able to float. Keep your arms down and move them like this. And move also your feet like this. Make sure to practice this in shallow water first. The last step, so you lose your fear of drowning, is knowing that you can also move while floating. Because, okay, you know how to float, but what if you're in the middle of the pool or the ocean and you can't move? You need to be able to move. So try shifting your body sideways and moving your feet as if you were walking, but with your ankles on point like a ballerina. You can also use one arm like this, or both. Once you know that you can move in the water, it really doesn't matter how deep it is, because you will stay on the surface. I hope this helps as the first step of you becoming a great swimmer. To continue your journey as a swimmer, make sure you follow us and watch this playlist. There, you will find our videos where we go over the basics and the more advanced ways of learning the 4 swimming strokes. See you there, swim fast!